In the last lecture, we have discussed about the how to iterate the array list elements, and that was using the inbuilt Java classes. Like suppose if we have a custom class, and if I want to use that custom class in the array list, is that possible? Yes, it is possible. So here, what we are doing that in this demonstration, I'm going to show you that how to add the student class object to the array list. So assume that we have a class called student having three instance variable like roll number, name, and age, and there is one constructor which is having three different arguments, and here I'm using a this keyword to differentiate the this local variable with the instance variable. So now, to add the student object in the array list, what we can do, like here, assume that we have created two student object, like student s1 is equal to new student 101, that is the roll number of the student, name of the student Tom, and 23 is the age of the student. Similarly, s2 has been created with the values 102, comma Harry, comma 21. And then we are creating the object of the array list where the generic argument that I'm specifying over here is a type of student. What it means? It means that in this array list, I'm going to add the object reference of the student class only. Right. So here you can see that the reference of student class is the reference of the array list is AL, and just creating a new array list object. And then I'm using the same method that we were using earlier with the string and integer and all, right? So here you can see AL dot add S1 and AL dot add S2. Okay, so what will happen that S1 and S2 both would be added to the array list. And then suppose if I want to print the values of the student, okay, what I can do, I'm using the iterator over here. Just I require to call the method that is iterator, which will return the reference of the iterator interface, and then I'm calling a method that is has next to check whether there is next element or not. If it is, then it is going to get the element that is with the help of method next, and that I'm casting to the student type, so that I will have that particular student object reference. And then finally I'm printing the student information like st dot roll number, st dot name, and st dot age. So when we run this program, at that time we are going to have output like 101 Tom 23, because we had added that first 101 Tom 23 followed by 102 Harry 21.